Drop it.
What's going on, you filthy animals? Let's get right into it. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Depon, what's up? Swat That Fly, Joey T, Frank B, Warren, Cameron. How many people do we have in the stream? Come on. Let's get it. Let's get everybody loaded up. Sorting Sin, what's up? Trade the Trends, what's up? Pepe, what's good, homie? Okay. Hey, look. It's a celebrity at Trade the Trends. Wait, is Trade the Trends really a celebrity? Trade the Trends. Please, give me a little more insight as to who you are. While you're doing that and letting the chat know who you are, let's go ahead and get right into the charts and the alerts, if you will. Guys, make sure you sign up. $5, trade 1348, try for free for 30 freaking days, right? $5, cheaper than a cup of coffee, cheaper than a pack of condoms. Cheaper than drive-thru to McDonald's, cheaper than Chipotle, cheaper than all those things. And all those things are going to do is make you fat and ugly. And then you really got to get rich, right? Because now you're fat and ugly. So you got to get rich to compensate for it. So, I'm just ugly, but rich. Makes things easier. What's up? Okay, so let's get right to it. We're going to look at the alerts. Price of rubber is the true measure of inflation. Absolutely. Let's go ahead and get into the alerts here. We have SPY down, Meta down, Tesla down, Netflix down, Apple down. Whoa. Okay, a lot to digest here. All right, guys. Well, here we go. With that SPY traffic light, you had the level here, right? You had this level here, so you expected a bounce. There was nothing for you to have had here. You're stuck now within this range, and this range is going to be 407.64 and 407.23. Again, we have these levels, and we print them in Masterclass. Andres, the white line is the 24 EMA. Moving along. Good morning. The 357 rule is a wonderful addition to the strategy. Thanks. Feel more confident in my plays. Tuxedo Flux. Absolutely. Absolutely. If you guys don't know about the 357 rule, maybe it's time you go ahead and step up to Masterclass. Catch me in the morning at 9:15, where I guide you and help you. But unfortunately, I was not able to help on this here. Thank God she recovered just a little bit, but my oh my, that reversal was filthy. Port up 9.79%. Nvidia puts 1348 for the win. Again, traffic lights. That is dope. Tesla is ranging. Let's go ahead and check out Tesla here. Now, guys, this will, in fact, be a short stream. I got some adulting to do at 11:15. So let's make it count. Now, Tesla at a level. We have EMA super tight. You're below the 48. You're below the 200. That's on the 1 minute. Now, we have a green traffic light on the 1 minute. Again, the 48 acting as Cockblocktimus Prime. All right, back to the chart here. 3 and a 5 is saying, no, we're not ready. But also, the 3 is contending with the 13. We got to break up the 13 here. We could, in fact, run up to the 24. The 24 is going to act as an intermediate level. But again, the 3 and a 5 are saying, let there be blood. As you can see here, definitely being supported by this level here at 187.56. Now, with the 5 minute here, you do have a reversal signal you could see on a thigh gap. And if you played that on a 5 minute to the bottom of the wick up to the 13, this is, guys, the beauty in this is that once you understand trade 1348 and you understand traffic lights, and then you understand thigh gap, which you can get when you sign up for Masterclass, okay? You get the thigh gap chart once you become Masterclass, and you just open up a whole different world, right? So make sure you go ahead and upgrade. I mean, if you're going to procrastinate, that's fine, but procrastination is like masturbation. In the beginning, it's fun. The end, you're just fucking yourself. All right. Now, for those in the back who are still debating, should I spend $5? Go ahead. QR code right there. Buy it now. 30 days. I will give you all my secrets. Well, most of my secrets, but you know. Anyways, going back to the chart, let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Tesla cross up on the 1 minute. Let's go ahead and take a peeky-loo. And, well, that's a cross down. All right, that's 10:38. What time is it? 10:40. So we got the cross up. You had the 48. Got rejected. Cross down. You have a blue pill line. We got another alert on this candle close. You will be alerted in platform, right? We do not front run this candle, but these candles do pay. And when you are playing Chop City here, it is ideal to go ahead and have the assumption that you are printing with scalps, okay? That's it. You're printing with scalps. However, given the tightness of this EMA on the 1 minute, Tesla's probably not the play to play. Okay? Got it? Get it? Good. You're literally sandwiched here right on a blue pill line at 187.56. That's all I got for you. Nothing truly actionable? We'll see. Okay. Now, moving along, let's go ahead and see any other alerts. No, let's go ahead and check out on the SPY. How many of you guys are in the SPY right now? Let's see. SPY currently at the blue pill line. Currently at the blue pill line. So, what we have here, we have a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bounce on 6. We're not going to do the counting here, but masterclass, if you know, you know. Especially when there's levels nearby. And don't you dare share it with the peasants. Please don't. But you guys see it here first. You see it here. You really do see it here first. Let's go ahead and look at Amazon. By the way, this traffic light would have paid if you played it to retracement, right? You could have entered at the 24, but it broke, and then you had the 48, but you still are coming on down. Why? Traffic lights on the 1, 3, and 5 are saying we're bearish. Everything is blood red. The only thing that's showing green is the daily light. Let's go ahead and see what's happening on the daily. On the daily, the SPY got heavily rejected. Heavily rejected. Now, back to the 1, because that's what we're here for. We're here for quick scalps, quick gains, and making that money. No sharing with the peasants. Got it. That's right. The TA guy. Don't get offended, right? Anyways, do the highlighted candles indicate the traffic light and the 13 are touching, but not yet crossing? It's giving you an idea of when the cross is going to happen. It makes you pay attention. It makes you pay attention, all right? Now, let's see. Moonboy says, I missed my put entry on INTC. Let's go ahead and see where that put entry could have been. And let's, whoa. Bruh. Whoa. No, not calling you a peasant, brother. Jesus. Okay. What we're doing here is we got a traffic light to the downside, and we have the 13 here. We have the 13 here. It's moving on down. This is no bueno. Damn. Moonboy. Sorry you missed this one. Sorry you missed this one. Jeez Louise. This would have paid. Holy wow. Right? Holy wow. This would have paid. Anyways, moving along. Let's see what else do we have. We have any alerts here. Now Tesla alerted down. That's at 10:44. So we got Tesla just now. It just happened. We have a traffic light down. We're playing to this level here at 187.09. There you go. Right? Dope, dope, dope. Young Hope missed you too. All right. That's what you guys are playing to. You need a traffic light, make your entry. You're playing to this level, right? You get a break of this level. You protect your profit at this level. Now we're protecting it, okay? Now, In the meantime, while this play pans out, I must reach out to Algo. And let's see. All right. The queue's getting slam jam. Let's go ahead and look at the queues. All right, boys and girls, you have your level here. And the thing is you should expect the bounce by the next candle or two. All right. You should expect the bounce on the next candle or two, but you do need to protect your profit here. SPY 404, SPY is just dying. What's happening here with the SPY? Holy hell. Okay, so expect the bounce at this level here at the very least. You see, now you got a wiki. It's coming. Let's see. Dum. All right, nice. Let's go ahead and see. What else are we in? It's a bloody Wednesday. That's right. Change the tampon already. SPY 404. Wait, Dimlitzen. Why would you say SPY 404? Let's go on over to the 4 hour here. See what levels we have on the 4 hour. And we have a level here at 402. And the 24 is going to be at or about 405.71. Treat the 24 as an intermediate level, okay? Treat it as an intermediate level as you pursue your journey to 404. But remember, we talked about how this was going to do a little bouncy. Maybe you're going to find some consolidation, but you do have a level here on the thigh gap, which confirms the bouncy thesis. Also, if you guys hung out with me and Count Chocula on the morning stream, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? So please, boys and girls, count in silence. All right, moving along. Let's go ahead and check out
Nvidia.
We have Nvidia Corporation here. And whoa, we do have a retracement back to the 13, but we have a full-on assault. Everything is red. MACD weak bearish. RSI climbing up to 50, which makes it bullish, right? You got the reversal candle here. Man, STV is having a field day. I'm sure he is. Look at her go. She's going to test a 24. Pay attention to this. Is she going to get her test and reject from the 24? I'm going to say yes. Okay. You see the wick there, and now you got price sensitivity to the 24. There you go. Anyways, let's see what happens. Ideally, you need her to break. You need her to break 50 here to have the conviction that she's going to break the 24 and hold. As it stands right now, it's anyone's game. No one knows. Secure that bag there, huh? Okay, that's enough with Nvidia. Let's see. I found a level on 5-minute March 31st at 406.68. You're going how far back? Yeah, that's within 7 trading days. So also respect that level. Good stuff. Respect that level. Nvidia really trying to play that 24 right there from that reversal signal. That this could have been a decent scalp, or at the very least to the 13. I'm sure STV did this really quickly. I know exactly what STV did, though. He saw thigh gap. He saw this bounce right here, and he definitely played it either up to a level, or he was risking it for the biscuit and said, baby, show me that 48. STV, if you're in the stream, can you please confirm? Because from what I'm hearing, you like your some thigh gap. I mean, everybody does. Daily Cheesecake, Review Dork. I believe in a lot of YouTubers saying 30K for BTC, and we keep tanking. Well, why are you listening to fucking other YouTubers? Can you think for yourself? Listen, bro, if your financial future is dependent on other YouTubers whose primary method of making money is through revenue on their YouTube channel, you're doing it wrong, bro. You're absolutely doing it wrong, right? Stop listening to those kids with 2 years trading experience, don't really know what the fuck they're doing. honestly, okay? If you want to learn and you really, really want to learn to trade and you want to make money on the volatility, go ahead, $5 QR code. We're going to show you how this game is really played. In fact, if you want to look at Bitcoin, we're going to go ahead and bring this up here. We're going to have some fun with Bitcoin here, right? Because I could do this on anything. You guys want an analysis on Bitcoin? We're going to go ahead and get it on a dollar, right? So, excuse me, not on a dollar, on the daily. Bitcoin, 28,128. All right. So here's a couple of fun things that's happening with Bitcoin. As it stands, RSI is bearish, right? Barely. Still above 50, so it has some potential to keep on moving up. But you do have the eye gap and showing weakness and strength. However, you could be supported by this level right here. You see that there? Nice level. Nice level. You could, in fact, be supported. Now, what sends Bitcoin back in the downward spiral is if the MACD loses more strength, crosses here, and then RSI pivots back down to 50 or below, okay? That's all I got for you. And if that happens, you're going back down to maybe even this level, 25,408. Boys and girls, stocks just don't go up, okay? How do I get the chart to follow Tesla? James O'Hara, you sign up. That's how you get the chart. Okay, moving along. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Tesla, let's bring her on to the 1 minute, then bring her on to the 3. Yeah, see traffic light. She just paid. She just paid. Oh, she just paid. Dum-to-dum. Gotta love it. What's happening on the 3? The 3 is just paying. 5, again, we see everything just bloodbathing right now, right? Notorious is out of AMD for 19%. Look at the bloodbath happening today. I'm just curious. I gotta do it. Oh, no. Okay, moving along. Nothing to see here. What about this? Oh, no, nothing to see here. All right, cool. Let's go and make some money now. So, SPY, 3 minute, traffic light here, breaks all kinds of levels on the 3 minute, signal the reversal, courtesy of thigh gap, sheep prints. Let's measure this out. Please. You see that rejection off the 200? Boys and girls, that's a $2.23 move. You play the rejection off the 200, thigh gap gives you the reversal, leads you into a put, leads you to a traffic light. You know the rules. Below 200, bias to puts, right? The EMA trend is a put. You had a strong bearish all the way through this play. The 3 and a 5 agreed to the downside. And, of course, traffic light signal, strong bearish. Jesus. Gotta love it. Gotta freaking love it. Man. What indicator is the red line? The red line's the 200 EMA, MO. This red line here is the 200 EMA. The most important EMA of your trading existence. Period. All right, let's go ahead and see if we have any more. Nope. Guys, there's also a beautiful thing in having our alerts. If you have Speed Racer 1, which you all get when you do sign up for the incredible price of $5, right? When you start seeing that the alerts are slowing down, that means the market is in a trend and it plans on staying that way, right? Mo says up 60% on both Rivian and Affirm puts. Let's go, boys. Okay, let's go ahead and check out your Rivian play. You're up 60%. I don't want to I don't want to sabotage your party, but look at that. Not bad, bro. So my question is, Mo, when do you get out? That's my question to you. When do you get out? Do you know how to get out, Mo? Now, Nick says 4.34% on the port with SPY. Way to fucking go. That's what we like to see. We like to see you guys print. See, what we do here differently is we give you alerts and we break down the alerts and we do it in real time so that you can print. We give you a methodology. We give you structure. We give you a system. You fuck around and find out broken rules, that's on you, right? But we give you a system, aka Kings to the Kingdom. All right, you signed up. How do you get help? Well, connect to the Discord. So, James, welcome. Welcome to Trade 1348. This is the best day of your life. You will be calling us in a week or two, telling us how you have consistently become profitable. Well, that's if you have a background in trading. If not, then you're going to paper trade for 2 weeks. Got it? Get it? Good? But let's go ahead and look at where you begin. Once you sign up, you're going to go to account. You're going to go on over to subscriptions, and you are going to go and connect your Discord, right? That's going to be found in your settings. You see that there? In your settings, you get to connect your Discord. Once you're into Discord, bro, everything else is a wrap. If you need to go ahead and learn more about what your first step is, simply come to Welcome to Trade 1348. We give you watch the trainings. You view our library. Open a paper trading account. This is on you, preferably through Webull. Connect to the community. Check your settings. Understand the risk management. Again, risk management, very, very important. And download our chart right here. Also, become an ambassador where you can go ahead and partake in our success. You succeed, we all succeed. We make money together, right? That's it. Okay, so let's go back to the chart here. And let's see, I have an update. Let's see. Oh boy, nice. Let's see. Nice. Oh, by the way, all my bots, yeah, they've been on a win streak. It's fucking beautiful to see. All right, $10 seems like a good level for a firm, so I'm watching that. Let's see. Yeah, well, you're 5 cents away, bro. Right? Do we need TradingView in order to sign up and download your charts? Nick, yes, you do. Invest in yourself, right? Do you need a jock strap to go play football? Maybe you don't, but your nuts will thank you later in case you ever need to. If you're going to play this game, make sure you have the right equipment. So it's TradingView, it's these alerts, it's the tutorials. Let's get it, all right? Moving along. Let's see, any other alerts? We're going to find out what other alerts we have here. Nothing. The market is trending, right? And the beautiful thing about this, guys, is when you get these alerts, you're going to hear ding, 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 right? And if you don't hear it and it's silent and you look at the market, you're like, oh, yeah, it's a bloodbath. Right? Miguel Torres, to do the best job, you need the right tools. Absolutely. Sounds like it's time to exit. Secure the bag. You got that golden bag right there, brother. All right. Let's go back to Nvidia. Let's see what Nvidia is doing. I get it. You love you some Nvidia. What are we doing, Mr. Chipmaker? And Nvidia consolidating, moving sideways, right? Stocks go up, stocks go down, stocks move sideways. Let's go to the 1 minute. And you had the rejection off the 24. Were we talking about that? Weren't we just talking about rejection off the 24? It was really, really, really trying, but it was going to move sideways. Man. Try to warn you. That's it, right? Again, just be conscious of the 13, the 24, the 48. These act as levels as well, okay? Let's see. Nothing else going on here. Look at the time. It's the no trading time of the day. Time to get out of the market and you're chilling. It's 11 o'clock. Good call, Miguel Torres. The market's gone sleepy, sleepy. So, here's a fun fact, right? If the market doesn't reverse by noon, chances are it's not reversing. Chances are it's setting its trend. Okay. So Daniel Mitch says, man, Tesla ran almost 100% from where I got stopped out. Just frustrating. That's all. Hey, look it. You know what? Let's say, Daniel, let's say you got 10% on that Tesla play. That's 1% on the port. Okay. 1% on the port. Now, all you got to do is do that 10 more times. Now, if you got a 80% win rate, which a lot of you with this strategy should have, hell, even if it's a 70% win rate, you know what, bro? You're going to get there. It's going to happen, right? Winning loser, up 17.6% on the port and done. Walking away before I become pig. Jesus, winning loser. What the hell, man? Leave some gains for the rest of us. What are you doing over there, man? Fuck. All right. Tesla death. Yeah, we have some death going on here. Everything seems to be dying. Ladies and gentlemen, it don't matter if the market goes up or down, we still print, right? Something that retail hasn't really figured out. You know, they're constantly playing the buy side. You imagine this, right? Like retail, many of them don't have margin account. Many of them don't understand what shorts are. Many don't understand how to trade options. Many just go ahead and buy and hold. And while buying and holding, they're seeing their ass get handed to them. Like the market's like, close your eyes, make a dream, and just pretend that what I'm about to shove up your ass is nothing the size of what Trey has on his desk. Okay, moving along. Let's see. I'm a 49 OG. How much is lifetime? It's 3-year, buddy. It's 1348. That a method questioned me for over years. Many are afraid of day trade restriction. Yes, but when you switch from margin to PDT, you get no day trade restriction because now you're cash. All right. There you go. Reek is thinking about Muppet Babies. Exactly. Muppet Babies makes everything feel better. Right? Got barbed wire being strewn through your mouth and out your asshole. Muppet Babies makes it feel better. Right? That's what these guys are doing. They're singing Muppet Babies while the market's just literally taking all their money. And you know what? There's a guy on the other side, preferably you, hopefully it's you, who's taking all that money. Why not? Why can't it be you? Why haven't you decided that for yourself? Oh, I get it. It's just easier to listen to some chick who sticks a cucumber up her fucking ass on Twitter, scream, you know, like, market manipulation. Okay, let's go ahead. Back to the charts. Now, I ain't making no friends. Fuck friends. I make money. Bro, Gonzo was my boy from Muppet Babies. Hell yeah. Sean Wright, up 2.6%. My paper trading. Michael Paso says, don't knock it. I'm going to knock anything and everything, bro. Wait, wait, that didn't sound right. You set me up. You set me up. All right, cool. I love the Muppet Babies episode where they did Star Wars. Miss Piggy was Leia. Oh my God, yeah. Wow. Okay, guys. All right. Memory lane is great, but don't want to do it. I don't want to go that far back. Actually, I do, right? You couldn't get canceled for nothing back in the 80s. I mean, this is when G.I. Joes played with guns. And you can't do that now. Anyways, let's see. Anybody just realize what I did there? Okay. If you know, you know. And knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe. Yeah. Love the 80s. It was great. So let's go ahead and see if we have anything else. No, we don't. The market's still just bleeding. The market's like, help me, please. Okay. Let's see. Did you ever find Bugs Bunny attractive when he put on a dress and played a girl bunny? No. That's when society got it all fucked up. I blame Bugs Bunny for the woke trend. Nope, we're not going there. All right. Let's see. WFC. Let's go ahead and check out WFC. Wells Fargo. Are you still a bank? Let's find out. So, Wells Fargo on the 3 minute traffic light got you paid. All right. Um, you guys are having way too much fun in the chat. I'll go ahead and check that out in a second. With Wells Fargo, you have consolidation, and you see how the 13 and the 24 seem to be running parallel now, right? Consolidation, not necessarily your friend at this moment in time. What you want to see is a breakthrough the 24. Now, the 1, 3, and the 5 are saying red. Daily Light saying red. EMA trend saying put. 200 EMA bias is 2 puts because we're below the 200 EMA on the 1 minute. Now let's go ahead and look at the 3. 3, traffic light, consolidation. Damn. All right, you had a level right there. That's literally what kept you out of this play if you got in on the 3 a little too late. See that there? That level? We found it right there. Blazing Girls, candles have muscle memory. And that muscle memory is called support and resistance. Make sure you learn this concept. We teach it, we preach it, and we do it each and every day, right? I prefer the actual girls like Chitara. I'm just afraid of like how much smoke would come off my midsection after she does what she does. Oh my God, the painful chafing. Holy fuck. Okay. Blazing Girls, you got your bounce off of Wells Fargo, right? But the trend, I mean, you see that there? Even on the 3, you got the 24, the 48, and the 3 just sort of kind of braiding here. Okay, you want to be careful. You want to be very, very careful. Oh my God, Miguel Torres, really? He says that's why you ask her to shave. Oh shit. And all I could hear in the background is, only you can stop forest fires. Name me that 80s character. All right, can you look at Disney? Someone is feeling magical here. Yeah, I'm going to look at Disney. Disney's telling you you're done. You really think Disney's going to keep on coming down for you? Right? No, you're done. Let's look at the 1 minute. You're done. Are you playing this traffic light? You're playing it up to the 48 at the very least. Use the 48 to protect the profit, but you are done. You are done with this put. This put paid. Look at Disney, boys and girls. You could enter on this traffic light. Preferably, you want to enter on a retracement. Look at that move, $1.18. Wow. Is Wells Fargo done? Well, can you come to your own conclusion, sir? Wells Fargo, you hit a level. It bounced. It's done with this put trend. Okay? Smokey from Friday. Yep, Smokey. Good old Smokey the Bear. Absolutely. Okay. Whoops. You know what that means? Dings. I hear dings. Somebody hear dings? But look what these things are. So Tesla was the last alert at 10:44 and the market was coming on down. Now we got some big boys here, Microsoft, and we got Coin, not a big boy, but they're moving on up. So let's go ahead and take a look at Microsoft and Coin. Microsoft here, traffic light, coming on up. You got the 48 right there. We zoom out, try to find a level relative to price action. Holy fuck, right there. We go ahead and mark that level. We're going to go ahead and remove this level, and there you go. So you have a level relative to the 48. Can't you break it? The iGap also created a level for you. The 3 and a 5 is saying bearish, but she does have momentum by virtue of being above the 50. Hopefully, she goes ahead and carries her moving average above 50. But if you were in on this trade, you saw this traffic light, you knew not to chase into it relative to a level or because of proximity to the 48. At the very least, you waited for a retracement and played it back up. Very simple stuff. All right. How do I get Speed Racer? Baby Jesus. This is what you do, baby Jesus. You go ahead and you pray for $1,348, and then you go ahead and sign up. No, I'm kidding. You could get Speed Racer for free. No, well, yeah, technically for free because, I mean, it's only just $5. And, yeah, it's just a give and take relationship at that point. It's just not fair. But for $5 your first month, go ahead, sign up. It's QR code right there. That's it. your QR code. Start for $5. Then you'll gain access to Speed Racer. Let's see. Pray to the Gabe Father. He will set you free. All right. Speed Racer is out on platform. Yep. I'm signed up, but where do I find it? Baby Jesus. If you're signed up, where do you find it? It's in platform. What are we doing here? It's right here, bro. Speed Racer 1. It's all right there. It's all right there. Spy, coming on up. Remember, we talked about the market reversing by 12 o'clock. Ooh, we got some juju happening. My crystal ball. Actually, it's not crystal. They're really, really dark. And I don't see my reflection off of them. All right. Not liking SPY RSI pointing down. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY here. SPY RSI pointing down, trying to find itself at the 50, trending up. Miguel, obsidian crystal ball. All right, I'll look at Mara in a second, but this looks like this is kind of steady. Your expectation right now is the 48. That's what you're playing for. All right. Want me to look at Mara? Let's look at Mara. Mara is at a level. I got nothing for you. And Mara's a shit stock, right? Oh, yeah. The Vanta Black balls, they absorb light. Yeah, they absorb light. So, if your girlfriend comes back, when she left the house, she was a blonde. If she comes back, a brunette, is because these balls just sucked it right off the top of her head. All right, let's go ahead and, again, let's see. Ooh, nice. I'm getting updates here. And something happened. All right, let's see. Dum. All right. Thank you for the update, Algo. Also, that MACD is looking sickly looking. Yeah, it's not doing much of anything here. This is more a shit stock. Let's go ahead, go back to the SPY because this is where the money's made. And boys and girls, we got 3 minutes left before I go. But traffic light to the 48. That was easy. Let's see. Been struggling to get into upgraded Discord since last night. Still not in. Still no thigh gap. Wait. Vanny. Renovado. Right. Quick. If you're having issues, Vanny, go into the Discord and tag Diana. Can someone send Vanny to the right person if he's really having that much issues? This ain't tech support, okay? All right. Traffic light got you paid at the 48. You're going to protect your profits here at the 48, okay? That's what you're doing here on the 1 minute. You're waiting for the 3 and the 5 to go ahead and confirm that as well, right? Bum. Let's see. What else do we have here? There goes Diana, Miss
Nvidia
herself. All right. Let's go ahead and see what other alerts we got. Yes, the market is. It's awake. It's happening. We have Netflix coming in at 11:14. This will be my last cover. Let's see. Netflix, traffic light, 48. You guys know the drill. Blue pill line, protected profit. Coming up to the 48. Get a break. Protect your profit at the 48. The 1 minute's perfect for scalps. The 5 minute, the 3 minute, perfect for trend setups. You guys see reversal on the 5 here on this candle. Boom! Let's go ahead and go to the 3. We could see there was a reversal signal here. She came up to the 13. That's cool. Then decided to die. And then we got dark to light, as STV likes to call it, dark to light. And there you go. You got your bounce. There's so many ways to read this STI indicator. There's so many ways to make money, so many ways to skin this cat. We give you the tools. We give you the knowledge. We help you break outside of the parameters, the box that you're in, right? You know, and we put you in a position to make all kinds of money. Boys and girls, I got to go. I got to sign out. Peace. It was fun, but it really was fun. I'll try to catch you at 12:30 again. I got some adulting to do. I'll let STV know. Worst case, I will leave an announcement in the Discord. Bye.